University Recreation, also known as UREC. So our department, our main goal is to provide a stress relief, to provide a social avenue, and to provide a physical outlet for our students. We have Stout Adventures Climbing Wall, we have fitness center, we have sport clubs, and then we have just open recreational activities as well as intramurals available. Our main location is on South Campus in the Sports and Fitness Center, and we have a satellite facility on North Campus, our 24-hour fitness center. One of our big things is that we have 2 fitness centers on campus, which is really unique. Something else that's new to us is we have a climbing wall, but new down there is we have a bouldering wall that just got installed this year, so come check that out. At the beginning of every fall semester, we hold a free week for you to come check out our services. So come on down the first week of our semester, and we'd love to see you anytime throughout the year.